What up, YouTube? Out here in Greensboro, the Custom Car Tour. That's where I'm getting my lift put on. There, got one of my homeboys from 252 doing it. I already got the back on. It's looking real good, man. We gotta do the front. Yeah, that's how the back is. Look real good. We gotta do the front still, but it look like the back done lifted the front of it up. Yeah, that's one of the upper control arms right there. Yeah, we messed around with the front yesterday, man. It's hard to get that coil over and that lift cup on top, man, and fit it all back together. So we're gonna have to compress those springs on them coilovers just to get it back in there. But as you guys can see, I got the rear trailing arms on. Got the 5-inch lift cup sitting in there pretty. Got the 2 handlebars in the back there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but they're going across. Keep the rear end in place. Everything in that kit is beefy, man. Don't mind the paint, man. That's gonna be next. Yeah, she's sitting high, boy. I'm gonna get a new rear bumper so that mess ain't going on. Also got the air shock. Extended air shock in the back. I forgot to show y'all that on the other side. This side right here, you might can see it a little bit better. 2 rear trailing arms. Got a beefy one at the bottom, beefy one at the top. Alright. Lift cup. Handlebars right there. That black bar that looks like it's going through the spring, but it's not. It's just going across the other side of the car. Yeah, it's my man here doing it. We gotta get this front together. Let's see, we got the cup on the top, but you gotta align these other 3 holes in with the top of that. Then we gotta put the bottom on. But it'll come together, man. You about to get me right. I gotta go to work and stuff. It's crazy. I ain't no joke allowed. It's looking real good. But this side look like it may be a little bit higher than the other. Simple fact is because the jacket's still up underneath here. But as soon as he bring it down, it look like the other side over there. Probably a little bit higher. Since this side, right side of the car, the passenger side of the car is cocked up in the air, it makes this a little bit lower, so that's gonna probably sit a little bit higher. But it's definitely way higher than what it was, y'all. I must say. Like I was saying, I might gotta put a bigger tire on here, fill up some of that fender wall gap. But the rear definitely lifted the front of it up, which is nice. So when the front do get lifted, she can be standing taller than a light pole. That's the look I'm going for. Like I said, I may have to go skirties. Put some 30s on here. I'm gonna go in and show y'all guys the 30s I'm looking at. They got some 4Gs in here. I might have to put some 4Gs on there, man. These right here okay, but I don't like chrome. If I did get that rim, it'd be black. Those are 30s. They got everything in here, man. These 30s right here, I'm feeling these. Some jokers is mean, boy. God. Yo, 4Gs is expensive though, man. They want 10 grand for those used 30s and 4G autos. Which I mean, that's good, because usually 4Gs is like 20 grand if you go 30s, but those are used, which is not bad. It's not a bad price. So I'm gonna shop around though, man. I may not want to spend that much on rims when I gotta get other stuff done for the car. Going back in here and see what he got going on, man. I know he gotta compress that spring. For you guys that get that Lifter brand kit, man, we gotta compress that front coilover. Alright, y'all, it's the following day. Back here with the front. Finally got the front on.
I'm going to lunch.
Looks pretty good.
After I finish this, I'm going to lunch.
Yeah.
When I come back, if he ain't back and got it done by then, I'm just gonna do it.
Alright, bro, I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm ready to get up out of here, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm anxious. Trying to get this thing finished, man. We finally got the front on, though. Only thing you gotta do is put the rotor and the brake calipers back on. And my front sway bar. But that's what it looked like. Got the beefy upper control on. Got the lift cup up in there. Both sides are done, so the only thing I gotta do is show y'all one side, the other side. Driver's side already done. Man, I got a lot of work to do to this car, man. It's like every time I look at it, it just pisses me off because of the paint. And I'm getting all this other stuff done first, so when I do get the paint, which I probably won't do paint, I'll probably do a wrap. But when I get that done, I don't want a bunch of mechanics' hands and stuff all on the car and messing it up. So, and two, myself, so I'm gonna be doing a lot of work on the car in my garage. Might as well show y'all this side since I'm over here. I done walked all the way over here talking about the paint. And found myself over here, so I'll show y'all. Yeah, she's sitting low. To get that wheel on, it'll push her up a little bit. I had to also go and buy these front stabilizer links for my sway bar. I got two brand new ones from Moog. I heard they're a pretty good brand. Moog steering and suspension. At your local AutoZone. I advise anybody that gets the lift done, make sure all your bushes and stuff is good, so you don't hear no squeaking, the steering wheel ain't shaking, none of that crazy mess. See, this one right here is still pretty good. This is the stabilizer link, but if I'm gonna replace one, which the other side over there is shot, so if I'm gonna replace one, I'm just gonna go ahead and do both of them. This one got a little bit of play in it. I can tell the boot, see the ring around it right there, it's done split a little bit. So that grease in there is just gonna dry up and it ain't gonna be no more good after a while, so I might as well replace it. Yeah, but this link go to this bar here. So once you get that bar back up, put the rim on, set the car down, he'll be able to get that link in there. Right now we ain't gonna be able to do it with the car jacked up and all of my suspension is down.